If you can reply messages and organize things, you can get paid for it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant or VA is simply someone who helps businesses or individuals with online tasks. Things like managing emails, setting appointments, doing research, handling spreadsheets, or organizing files. Basically, you're helping someone else stay productive without stepping into an office. Now, here is the part most people miss. You already have the basic skills you need if you know how to use Google, reply to emails, use WhatsApp, or even copy and paste into Excel. You already have word there. Popular tasks VAs are hired for include inbox and calendar management, internet research, social media support, data entry, customer support via chat or email. So where can you find VA jobs? Let's start with Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com and create a seller account. Then create a gig with a clear title like "I'll be your reliable virtual assistant for admin tasks, email and research." You can also try platforms like upwork.com, remote.co, Onlinejobs.ph, and even Facebook groups. Just search for virtual assistant jobs or online remote gigs. Once you've chosen a platform, you need a professional looking profile. Your gig or bio should clearly state what services you offer, how long it takes for you to deliver, what the buyer will get, and why they should trust you. If you're just starting, keep your pricing beginner friendly. It will help you get your first clients faster, but you can choose to increase your rates later on. Now, here is something many new VAs keep: your portfolio. Even if you've never worked with a client, you can create mock examples to showcase your abilities. Use Canva.com to achieve this. To get your first clients faster, stay active on your chosen platform, respond quickly to messages, promote your gig link on LinkedIn or WhatsApp, add freebies for your clients, and do not be afraid to pitch directly to small businesses. Did you find this helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment below, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on videos like this.